Hey guys, it's Mystical Science here, and yeah, we are. And I'm here today with my friend Elise. Don't.
Oh, you know, if you sniff glue, it can make you hungry.
Stop! Okay, so we're going to be doing the no bowl and no mixing utensil challenge. So, what you're going to need is obviously slime, so glue, shaving cream, foaming soap, lotion, and borax. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, well, I'm starting with the shaving cream.
Why?
Hold on. So I faced it down so you can see. I'm building a bowl.
Okay, that's enough.
No, it's not.
Shut up, it is.
Give me the glue. You have to do it too. This is just mine. Oh, I used like a lot of glue. So I'm going to add my foaming soap. You have to do one too. This is mine.
Wait, I have to do one as well.
Yeah. Okay, now I have to mix it. You have to do it right now. Okay. This is like, okay.
I have to do it now.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's way off. Okay, so I'm in the middle of mixing mine together.
I'm going to make a small one.
Yeah, I was going to make a small one, but I added a lot of shaving cream. So now that it's all mixed together, I'm going to add my borax. Mine's coming together amazingly. Yours is so small.
Good.
Okay, need to add more borax. This is the first time I've done this challenge. I've done the blindfolded challenge, which I always cheated on. I mean, what? But if I
can't really get the borax anymore.
Yeah, you can. Just use your hands. Duh. Okay, so if I do the blindfolded challenge, slime challenge, I won't cheat. I promise. Oh, okay. My hands are covered in slime. See, I just used mine. Okay. So I'm almost done already, and because she didn't know that we were doing a challenge versing each other, we're gonna see whose slime is the best at the end. So we can fix it and stuff, but we're not allowed to feel each other's slime.
I'm proportioning myself.
Proportioning, that's what I did. And mine's done. Kind of. Not really. Okay. So now I'm going to add shaving cream. I meant foaming hand soap and lotion because it's kind of weird.
This is really messy, dude.
Yeah, I know. It's good. It's good. Okay, so I'm just going to keep doing this for a while. And we have...
Mine needs more shit. No.
This is still my slime count. Slime YouTube. Okay, so we have around 2 minutes left to do this. Well, we nearly have 2 minutes left. When it gets to 4 minutes, we have 2 minutes left. So we get 5 minutes, no, 6 minutes, because, you know, I mixed them. We have 6 minutes to do this. Okay, so I'm just going to keep adding foaming soap and lotion. And I am the slime expert, she is not, so if she makes better slime than me, I'm going to be so annoyed.
Why did you say people?
Don't. We have 1 minute and... We have 1 minute and nearly 1 minute and 30 seconds left. So I'm going to be selling these slimes that we make. Also, she's one of the staff on Mystical Slime's staff, if you didn't know. Her name is Elise, obviously.
She's following me on Instagram.
You already have 1,000 followers.
No, I have 400.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you have less than 1
because I don't accept any of my follow requests. If I did, then I'd have another video.
Yeah, but that's because I'm a slime account and I'm, you know, free to all. Okay. We have 1 minute and 40 seconds left. Kind of rushing this. Mine's getting better. And now I'm going to get some food dye and try to open it. Okay. Yes, I chose blue because blue is my favorite color. Been like over 2 minutes, but who cares? Anyone here keeping time? No. Okay, so I'm going for like a baby blue kind of, and that is working out. It's really nice. Are you adding more borax?
Yeah, I don't want it to be too funny.
It isn't even runny. That runny. But the nicer it is, the better it is. I'm gonna add a little bit on here because if I overactivate again, then it will be bad. Okay. We have 1 minute and 40 seconds, even though it's been like 4 minutes. But yeah, we finish at 8 minutes. So we have 30 seconds left.
I hate this one.
Okay. Also, I'm making baby blue and she's making
Something.
like a pink color, which means we could probably turn it into this slime, which is strawberry and blueberry tricks yogurt, which I made today and is my newest slime. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep kneading it because I added more lotion, even though it was like really good and I didn't need to. Okay, so we're not going to pick the winners here. We're going to see
Need more borax.
We're going to see if you guys, thumbs up. We're going to see if you guys can vote. So comment down below which one you think won, baby blue, which is mine, or Elisa's. It's just like a pink because we don't know what to name it. It's like a sunset kind of color. Not really. So yeah, we're going to make blueberry and strawberry tricks yogurt with these. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you
Want
want,
to make a big circle, then I'll put it in the middle.
no, we're not mixing them together now because we don't have a container. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.